that might cost you and make you not to make any sale when you are marketing or selling your product. And one of these challenges is lack of confidence. So you need to build your confidence, understand yourself, and know or that you are able, because when you don't have confidence, it will be very hard for you to approach or convince your clients. So you need to build your confidence by learning how to speak to people, how to communicate to people, and how to sell products. So for you to sell any product, you need to have confidence in approaching the client. The other thing is that you need to have the convincing power. That is, you are able to convince clients concerning the product that you are selling. Because if you don't show the client the need of having that particular product, the client might not be interested or might not buy that particular product. So you need to convince them and create a need for the customer to have that particular product. This can be done by giving them the benefits, the importance of the product that you are selling, and the solution that the product that you are selling will offer to your client. And in so doing, you'll be able to make a sale. The other thing is not understanding the product. So you need to understand the features that are in the product that you are selling, so that you can be able to convince the client to buy that particular product. So if you don't understand the features that are in that particular product, it might be very hard for you to sell that particular product. So you need to understand the features, the characteristics that are in that particular product that you are selling, the benefits, the importance, so that you can be able to offer that information to the client. The other thing is selling